Guys, we gotta do something. Ready?
Welcome back to the Loudmouth Sisters.
I'm Corey.
I'm Macy.
I'm Eve.
And I'm Emily.
Real to real in the way I feel. I could walk it.
And today we're doing the
In or Out Challenge.
Now this works like...
So Corey's going to ask a question and say have you recently cut your hair? And I have. So I'm going to be in and I'd get that fidget.
And snacks. There's a bunch of stuff in a pile. We put a bunch of piles.
And then say somebody else was in too, then we're going to do rock, paper, scissors to see who gets it.
Let's get
the
into
best
it.
fidgets at the end.
Which is
First fidget.
Can you see it?
Yep.
Ooh.
Oh,
Wait,
wait, no, we only need...
If you love the beach.
I'm in.
Actually,
I'm out.
no, I hate the beach. Kind of.
Oh, so I get it.
Okay.
And you have to tell the truth.
Yeah.
And I do love the beach.
I hate the beach.
I hate it. Can I pick a number?
I like... No.
Oh.
I hate it.
Wait, can I say something? This pea popper actually pops out really good.
You
it
forgot a
actually
monkey
pops
noodle.
out. And
If you have brown eyes.
dang it.
Boom.
I'm
Two.
in.
I'm in.
Nobody gets the monkey noodles.
But we all have brown eyes.
That means
except
you're
you.
out.
Like, ooh. Guys, you can't lie.
In if you play lacrosse.
I do. I hate
I hate
that.
lacrosse.
Mm.
Oh, she's getting all of them.
I love lacrosse.
Here's the... Oops.
I think that's a poppet. Yeah.
If your recent teacher's name started with L.
Yeah. Linda.
No, I
No,
meant
like
her last name.
No.
Okay, fine, we can give you it.
Yes.
Here we go.
Oh, yeah. I love puzzle balls.
All right, let's go. In if you like the song A-OK.
Me.
Oh, I love that song.
I love that song.
I don't know that song.
Rock, paper, scissors.
Okay, ready? Paper, scissors, shoot.
Hey, I love me. Wait, sing it.
I
Sing
know
this song.
what?
Sing this song A-OK. Shh. Sing it.
The world with my head up in outer space. I know.
Living in this big blue world with my head up in outer space.
I know. Ooh. Marble Mash.
Yes. If you like Cheetos.
Oh, I hate Cheetos.
I hate Cheetos.
Rock, paper, scissors.
Eve doesn't have any, so she better get one.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Yes.
Demon.
Guys,
Oh. A Rubik's Cube.
everyone is out.
Wait, what?
What? Doesn't make any sense.
You can't do that.
Yeah, no.
No, it's a trick, guys.
No, I wrote that.
No, you can't do that. Oh. I don't like that one.
If you have a dog.
Dang it.
Shabuya.
Thanks.
Okay.
This is probably the win, guys.
Okay. What up? I pick number.
If you like Good For You.
Oh, seriously? Are you kidding me?
Not
Bro.
Guys,
Hallelujah. You said you were gonna do food.
this is food.
No,
It's a pineapple.
In if you like watching lightning.
Oh, I love watching lightning.
No, my mom is the biggest lightning fan ever. She
I
just
love
sits on the front porch.
It's just so.
Scissors.
Ready?
I'm scared.
Rock,
Paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Yes. No. Oh. Oh, I really. Are you kidding me?
We have 9 questions.
Yes.
Number...
If you have been in more than one Loudmouth Sisters video.
No.
Seriously, you
I've
know that. I've been in that.
Yeah, I've been in 2.
I've been in...
She's 3. 3. I'm.
Wait, you've been in 3? Last Leave
No.
the Bed. Last Leave the Trampoline. And this one. Same
No,
with me.
not that one.
And you've been in everything.
Food! Goldfish! Yes! Mickey!
If you've been to Washington. Have you been to Washington, Em?
Yes!
You know she has.
She's been to Washington, D.C.
Not Washington.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
The win.
I want food.
Okay, everyone is in.
Yes.
Here you go.
Popcorn.
You know it's not made yet.
Wait. Oh yeah, but I can make it.
In if you want a hamster.
Oh, I wrote an essay about a hamster. I'm not kidding.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Popcorn.
Okay, time for me to judge who has the best fidgets. He won that much fidgets.
And a goldfish cap. Hey! That's an extra point for me.
Okay.
I want a pineapple popcorn. I'm for sure 2 more points. And I won that.
Macy's,
I get an extra point because you're still by
a
golden.
7.
It doesn't matter.
So I get 8.
No,
No,
I
that
was gonna
doesn't
give you
matter.
6. So
Oh.
you're 7. Eve, you get an 8.5. And Emily,
I got all the good fidgets.
you get a 9.
I knew it.
So like, subscribe, comment, share. If you
And-
like this video, turn on the notification bell and
join
our crew. Bye!
Living in this